I'm nervous to glass that bunk in.
This was like the thing we had to do, so. 1976 Siren 17 sailboat crushes itself on the trailer. So we cut out the bunk, repair the damage, and put the bunk back in. What could go wrong?
What was that? Damn it.
Start again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
5 inches by like 1/4 inch. And then a 12-inch by 4. 14. Something like that, right?
Yeah, that looks great.
Just eyeball it in place when we drop it over once we patch those holes.
Mm-hmm.
And then that sits just underneath, just inside of the bunk lip, and this one's just sticking out. But we cut out the bunk there, so I think that extra height's not going to hurt us, and if it does, we can get creative with the sander.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Bubble free.
Looks fantastic. Can't wait to see it dry and sanded.
Yeah.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And
I'm nervous to glass that bunk in.
Yeah.
I don't know, it just needs to be perfect afterwards. It's so much work to chop it out and redo it again.
It's a big step. This was like the thing we had to do, so.
Yeah, I hope the boat's straight afterwards, so. With all my climbing in and out and around while doing it.
It looks good. It's gonna be good.
It'll be good. Oh yeah, I'm just nervous, that's all. It's a big step.
When we first started this project, the idea of cutting out this bunk to repair the crack underneath was honestly pretty terrifying. And now, I still don't love it. So, with the hull crack finally repaired, it feels really good to be putting this bunk back in where it belongs.
Somewhere like that, it looks almost perfect.
Yeah, I think so. It's hard to tell because this is being ground down here.
A little bit, yeah. But
that feels...
I think that looks pretty.
Yeah, I think that's pretty
flat.
good. Yeah. What do you think? How's it feel down there?
There's a pretty big gap underneath this thing here. That's gonna have to get my clamp down. I don't know, can all that stick on there? Let's find out.
So the plan here is we're going to use these little popsicle sticks to kind of temporarily hold the bunk in place. It really wants to be sitting in the right place. It's, you know, it doesn't take much to get it to stay where it's supposed to. And then we'll fiberglass it and then just grind these off after. That stick is not sticking.
No. It kind of was. Oh no, it's way low. Damn it.
Start again?
Yeah.
Okay, well, attempt one failed.
Apparently that crazy glue's not crazy enough. Hey, bang a few screws in there and bang a few more there. And that lines this up too. Like a lot of these gaps got really big from sanding, right? Like this disappeared in sanding. These corners disappeared. Those sharp little edges, they hit the grinder and they just gone. So, what do you think? I feel like you're...
No, I think it's good. It stresses me out that this isn't like right yet, but we'll push it out, you said. So
that just needs something heavy to sit there. A brick or something won't be enough to bend that.
yeah,
so.
that's the only reason I'm hesitant. But I think it's good.
It's because we need to line this up. This is touching the hull now too. Like it was just that shape we had to get. You know what I mean?
Which is good. Yeah. Okay.
That gap is gone. I think it feels good. We're spot on our layout mark for the bunk height here. It's exact. I'm gonna put another one across the front to hold it there. But I think before we do that, I need to get epoxy underneath this tab because I want to hold it to kind of help clamp it down. You know what I mean?
Okay,
And
so
then
we'll
put some weight on it too. But we need to put weight right on that tab. We'll need some like parchment paper or something we can lay on the epoxy that's going to go in there. It's more than I planned on lifting it.
Ask me how I really feel.
That weight is holding it down the way it needs to?
Yeah.
Are you going to screw it still?
Yeah.
You either tie it down or let it be. Oh, but every time it goes to hell, you figure out you might as well sit back and enjoy the show. Might be the end for all we know. Ooh, hey.
I want to see what's going on under there.
I know.
Do you want something to go under the edge?
Oh, yeah. Meant to be. Yeah, something like that.
That's great.
Okay, well, the epoxy has had all night to cure and harden. We've had the heater going a bunch and it's being tarped up, so hopefully it's set. We're just gonna peel this all back and see how it looks.
Let's do it. Epoxy finds its way everywhere.
We knew a little bit was gonna stick. I'd say that came out pretty well.
Worked beautifully.
Freezer paper for the win.
Yeah, no, that was great. Where it leaked into the edge of the paper here, it kind of stuck, but That's fine.
Yeah.
It's gonna need a bit of a sand anyways. Cool.
I don't think it moved at all.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that feels perfect here.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, it didn't move at all when you took it off, but there is a little bit of a lip right here, hey?
Yeah, we knew of that to begin with, though. It's because this piece was slightly bent. Yeah, where this crack was here, that was a big crack there, and everything was mangled, and this was all bowed and warped, right?
Yeah. Looks fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy with that. I was so worried all night. I don't know why I thought, like, it's not going to cure, or
I stuck my fingers
going to
down.
be just, like, solid paper that's now part of the, I don't know, all the things that could go wrong.
When I came out to check it last night, I peeled the paper back a little bit and stuck my finger down as far as I could, and it felt pretty hard, so I was pretty
I
confident.
thought you said it felt soft still last night. That's why I was so worried. And this
Yeah,
all looks
but-
great, too. Look at this. It's perfect.
That was like an hour after you went to bed,
Oh, okay.
or 45 minutes or whatever, so.
Yeah, it happens when you go to bed at 8 o'clock, I guess.
Yeah.
You miss things.
Yeah.
Phew! What a relief. This bunk has been stressing me out for a long time. Now we can move on to tabbing the rest of the bunks into the hull. I'm cutting strips 3, 5, and 8 inches wide to build up some solid support. So I guess we need to pull the tarp back over. You should acetone where we're going to do along the tab of the bunk and run the heater for 20 minutes just to warm it up in here.
You sound like Darth Vader. I'll do another 6.
Okay.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the
That seam is going to be so much stronger now, hey?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be great.
It looks so good.
We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage.
A lot of stringies off this guy.
We decided to use the woven mat for the smallest first layer here, which is 3 inches wide, because the biaxial mat was just really falls apart at the more narrow widths.
Oh yeah.
So we're hoping that this is gonna go together a little bit more easily. But it does end up with a lot of little strings.
I think we need a bigger boat.
This isn't enough fiberglassing for you?
Well, it is.
I agree. But we've learned a lot on this one. Like, I'm really happy we've done this project, and like we're nowhere near done this project, but
Oh, for sure.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
so satisfying those big pieces going on.
Yeah.
It just looks so
Oh, it
good.
really is.
I'll go get your epoxy. I just wanted to watch.
Yeah, thank you.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
I like when you stir the epoxy and you can feel it going warm right away under your hand.
Yeah, it's interesting, eh?
Can weather any storm. Before I sleep, Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit
Quick with
to
that
what
teeth.
we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
I think I got lots in there. Watch when I get off of it.
Oh yeah, nice. I didn't get any footage of this before we started laying down the fiberglass, but there was one little section on this side of the bunk that was separating as well. So Kyle has just put some epoxy under the lip as best as he can where that little spot was separated, and then we can carry on with the tab just like everywhere else. This bunk isn't going anywhere now.
Thank you.
Welcome. It looks so amazing. I'm so glad we decided to re-tab it.
Yeah, me too. It's a lot of work, but it's going to be worth it.
Yeah. I know there wasn't a lot of debate in this decision. We both agreed on it pretty fast when we saw all the other boats that had similar damage with the bunks separating, but
Well, and the amount on this one too.
yeah. We still have some work to do around the front of the centerboard trunk here. We're gonna fill these holes and a little bit more cleanup to do. So we're gonna just terminate the fiberglass here for now and then carry it on next time. Last piece of the day about to go on. I think I'm just about ready to be done this job for today.
It's been a big day of fiberglass, and I think we've gone through almost an entire gallon today.
Yeah. So far for this project to this point, we've used 2 full kits of epoxy, which is about 7 liters total we've gone through.
Between both, yeah.
Yeah, between both. So I think probably to do all of what we have left, we're gonna need 2 more kits. So I'll buy that and get it on the way so then we can work on it the next time you're home.
Yeah, I like it.
And I promise I'll buy some new scissors before you're home again too.
I'm not doing fiberglass without it.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the restoration series. Next time, we continue fiberglassing and attempt to fill the void under the bunks with foam. Wish us luck.
Oh man, I think that's it for the day.
A job well done. That was a huge amount of work. Oh,
That was the best part of the day, was taking that mask off.
That was great.
You don't need pre-cut fiberglass on rolls at proper width when you have child labor.
Barely even a grin.
Turn off that in the video.
Oh, it's going in the video.
100%
I'm
it's going
doing
in.
it just like